asikose shule kwa sababu ya nini? Kwa sababu ya karo ya shule.
Now, a row is brewing in the county of Uasin Gishu amidst the advent of claims of non-compliance and failure to pay tuition fees for nursing and physiotherapy students by the universities in Finland. According to the universities, which have reportedly suspended all classes for Kenyan students, the school cannot continue the Taylor degree programs for Uasin Gishu groups if the tuition fees are not paid. This comes as Uasin Gishu Governor Jonathan B. absolved the county from blame, saying that the program was not in any way advertised as a scholarship and that parents had an obligation to pay their children's fees.
Days after a report by the Uasin Gishu County Assembly,
tunaenda kuweka bidii darasani, kuwa na nidhamu mzuri na kuinteract the Finnish people well.
Unraveled the misappropriation of over 50 million Kenya shillings meant for support students undertaking various courses in Finland. Uasin Gishu Governor Jonathan B. now says the program was only facilitated by the county by helping the parents obtain bank statements to support the visa application process for the students.
The program was run independently of county government by a trust, and no public funds were used to fund the program. This therefore means that no public funds were or will be appropriated to fund this program. The program was created to enable parents who did not have ability to obtain bank statements or even bank accounts to support the visa application process.
B says the program ran independently by the Uasin Gishu County Government Overseas Trust Fund, and no public funds were used to fund the program.
And with parents being signatories. We have held a series of meetings with universities, both physical and online, where we have informed them that the county offered guarantee, but the parents were responsible for the payment of fees. So the task force has already engaged auditors to carry out forensic audit on the trust fund accounts.
He now wants the parents to move with speed and pay fees before the end of March.
First-class University, they have given us 31st March 2023 as the deadline. So is Lorea University. Tambere University did not agree to extend the deadline of 28 February. They have ended the cooperation with Uasin Gishu County.
Parents who spoke to KTN News through the phone now claim they were duped by the county government.
Hiyo pepa yenye inasemekana kufikia hapa utakuwa nalipa hii, kufikia hapa utakuwa nalipa hii, kufikia hapa utakuwa nalipa hii. So where the problem is what really happened in this thing called trustee. Who are these trustees? Hata mimi naona mara ya kwanza ati kuna kitu inaitwa trustee, sijui nini. The parent cannot negotiate with the university because there is somebody in between. So even the parents right now do not understand how the children can't access the university. So it becomes a real problem. It is like the county government yao wenyewe tu wamechipatia, sisi ndio tunajua. Na mwenye anaumia ni mzazi mwenye ajui ataelekea nani. Ukienda kwa county government, the information you get is so scanty, and they will talk you like you are just a very happy person. Wakijua wewe hauna pesa hata kidogo. Mtu maskini atapata wapi baada ya kuuza shamba yote?
The Chepkonga-led committee endorsed the recovery of stolen money to support students stranded in Finnish universities.
To amass wealth using public or individual parents' money. So they amassed wealth, and now when we are talking together, actually that account now is zero. The last time we checked it, it had only 37 million shillings. And what is needed for the welfare of the students in Finland now is to the tune of more than 250 million.
Let know this program continue until a legal framework and every policy has been done by the county executive and the county assembly, so that we cannot able to have issues that are arising like this.
Elvis Kosgei, KTN News, Uasin Gishu County.
A mosquito can enter from anywhere and prevent you from having a peaceful good night's rest. This is why I recommend the Motindum Liquid Electronic Device.